Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will walk you through the process of diagnosing and potentially fixing battery issues on the Caelum Information Conga 1590. Begin by ensuring you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and a cleaning cloth. Now, let's get started. First, power off your device completely and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws that secure the back cover of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back cover with a flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the casing. With the back cover removed, you will see the battery compartment. Here, inspect the battery for any visible signs of damage, such as swelling or corrosion. If the battery looks intact, use your multimeter to check its voltage. Set the multimeter to the DC voltage setting and connect the probes to the battery terminals. A healthy battery should read around 3.7 volts. If it reads significantly lower, the battery may need replacement. Before proceeding with any repairs, if you feel uncomfortable or lack the necessary tools, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our trained technicians can assess the issue for you. If the battery does need replacing, you can order a new one online or check with local retailers. Next, if the battery is indeed faulty, carefully disconnect the old battery by unscrewing any screws that hold it in place. Make sure to note the orientation of the battery for installation of the new one. Once removed, clean the battery compartment with a cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This step is important for ensuring a good connection with the new battery. Now, install the new battery by placing it in the same orientation as the old one. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Remember to check that all connections are tight and secure. Before reassembling the device, let's do a final check. Use your multimeter again to measure the voltage of the new battery to ensure it is functioning properly. If everything looks good, it's time to put the back cover on. Align the back cover with the device and press it down gently. Reinsert the screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure they are snug but do not over-tighten, as this may damage the casing. Finally, power your device back on and check if it is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We offer pickup and delivery at your home for any repairs needed, making it easy for you. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service. If you followed these steps and everything works, congratulations! You've successfully diagnosed and repaired the battery issue in your Caelum Information Conga 1590. If you need a quote before repair, feel free to contact us for further assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.